Symmetry CompleteView Video Management System is an intelligent, scalable, and integrative video management solution designed for today and tomorrow. The open, user-friendly video system offers simple deployment and scalability for security needs of all sizes. The platform empowers organizations to view, record, and manage video data for security, operational, and business intelligence needs. Users can operate from web, mobile, and desktop clients to centrally manage cameras, video storage, and recorders. Symmetry CompleteView Mobile lets you access live video and playback, as well as export video and have full camera control from the palm of your hand. And with video, AI analytics, security reaches beyond video to detecting weapons in real time and recognizing license plates. With limitless camera integrations and dynamic resolution scaling, Symmetry CompleteView delivers the clarity you need when you need it. Stay ahead of threats, respond faster, and protect what matters, wherever you are. Symmetry CompleteView operates as a standalone system or integrates seamlessly with Symmetry Access Control or other access control systems. Manage your security ecosystem with ease, from a single site to an enterprise-wide deployment. Symmetry CompleteView, smarter video security for a safer world.